If Google Chrome is refusing to open on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the problem fast. Chrome failing to launch is usually caused by a hung background process, a temporary Windows glitch, a permission issue, a damaged user profile, or even a compatibility setting that is blocking the browser from starting correctly. So instead of guessing, we're going to go through the best fixes one by one until Chrome opens again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Windows and browser tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is terminate any stuck Chrome processes. Sometimes Chrome looks closed, but it is still running in the background, and that can prevent a new window from opening. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab and look for Google Chrome or Chrome.exe. If you see it there, right-click on it and choose End Task. You may need to end more than one Chrome process if several are listed. After that, try opening Google Chrome again and see if it launches normally. If Chrome still will not open, the next step is to restart your computer. This might sound basic, but a reboot can clear temporary system issues, stuck services, or memory problems that interfere with Chrome startup. So go ahead and restart your Windows PC completely. Once the computer turns back on, try launching Chrome again and check if the issue is gone. A surprisingly large number of browser problems are fixed just by restarting the system. Now, if Chrome still refuses to start, try running it as an administrator. This helps rule out any permission-related problems. Find your Google Chrome shortcut, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. This gives Chrome elevated access, which can sometimes help if something is blocking it from opening under your normal user permissions. If Chrome opens this way, then the issue may be related to your account permissions or a shortcut setting. Next, we're going to check Chrome's user data folder. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type %localappdata /Google/Chrome/user data and press Enter. This will take you to the folder where Chrome stores profile data, settings, and user files. Inside this folder, look for profile folders such as Profile 1, Profile 2, Guest Profile, or System Profile. One of these folders may be corrupted and stop Chrome from opening properly. If you see a profile folder that looks like it might be causing the issue, you can rename it as a quick test. For example, if you see Profile 2, right-click it, choose Rename, and change it to Profile2.old. Renaming the folder forces Chrome to create a fresh profile the next time it opens. This can fix startup problems caused by corrupted browser data. After renaming the profile folder, try launching Chrome again. If it opens, then you've likely found the source of the problem. Another thing to check is compatibility mode. Sometimes Chrome can be set to run with older Windows compatibility settings, and that can prevent it from starting correctly on Windows 10 or Windows 11. To check this, right-click the Chrome shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode is unchecked. If it is enabled, turn it off, then click Apply and OK. After that, try opening Chrome once more. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the problem and Google Chrome should be opening normally again. If it still doesn't launch, you may need to reinstall Chrome or create a fresh Windows user profile, but in many cases, the steps in this video are enough to fix it quickly. The most important thing is to work through the process in order, because each step helps identify a different possible cause. If this tutorial helped you get Chrome working again, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Windows fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.